Through the use of several investment tools, an investor can grow their assets through various diversified investment channels, thus multiplying their assets exponentially. Another tool that an investor can use to invest and save for retirement, besides the traditional IRAs, 401ks, etc., is a health savings account or HSA. In this video, I'll discuss how an investor can use an HSA as an investment vehicle tax-free, growing their stock portfolio in an exponential fashion by using this simple but highly effective health savings account strategy. By following the easy steps outlined in this video, you too can increase your investments over time in a systematic fashion, substantially increasing your wealth during the process. Get ready. You are now entering the Academy. What is an HSA? The HSA, or Health Savings Account, is a tax-free savings account for those who have high deductible insurance plans with high maximum out-of-pocket costs. HSA provides a way for insurer employees to pay for health care and not be taxed on it. Money deposited into an HSA is tax-deductible as well. The money also grows tax-free and can be withdrawn tax-free to pay for qualified medical expenses. As of 2019, the maximum contribution to an HSA is $3,500 for a single health insurance policy or $7,000 for a family policy. As noted previously, an HSA can be used as an investment vehicle, contributing the maximum allowed contribution every year and investing that contribution into stocks. And contributions are tax deductible. While HSA are intended to provide a tax-free way to pay for healthcare costs, you don't have to use it when you have medical expenses. Instead, you can pay medical bills out of pocket and let the balance in your HSA grow. You can later reimburse yourself by keeping your paid medical bills and using the amount from those bills to reimburse yourself at any time in the future. This is a great way for early retirees to pay themselves while they're waiting for the traditional retirement accounts to kick in when they hit their retirement age. However, using money from an HSA for anything other than qualified health expenses will incur a 20% tax penalty. Non-health care withdrawals during retirement will incur normal income tax. HSAs provide a number of benefits, not only spending for the short term, but also saving for long-term qualified medical expenses, including those in retirement. Because an HSA is one of the most tax-efficient savings options available, consider contributing the maximum and paying for current health care expenses from other sources of personal savings. If you can afford to pay for current medical expenses from your personal savings, consider investing a portion of your HSA asset in an asset mix that is somewhat less aggressive than your other retirement assets. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to smash the like button if you enjoyed watching. It will really help out the YouTube algorithm for bringing more wealth creation strategy videos to the masses. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the 10X Academy. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be alerted on more passive income strategy videos. This is the 10X Academy.